all those who care for you. You are a very special lady with your own special qualities. May the Lord watch over you now and for always. Happy 80th birthday to you.
Jose Molina Jr.